Love your employees and volunteers but hate how much time you're spending onboarding them? Many not-for-profits believe that onboarding employees and volunteers needs to be a time-consuming and arduous process. The truth is that by creating a standard operating procedure that is plug-and-play for your employees, you can not only streamline the process, but take the potential human error out of the equation so you can keep your organization's data safe. Here are 4 tips to make this process less painful and more efficient. Tip number 1 is to have a secure data collection form to gather the volunteer or employee's data, including preferred email address, correct spelling of name, start date, systems they need access to, etc. This information should be stored in the cloud and only authorized employees should have access to it. Collecting volunteer or employee data securely is paramount. A secure data collection form should be your go-to tool for gathering essential details. By storing this information in the cloud and restricting access to authorized personnel only, you ensure data integrity and confidentiality. This organized approach prevents data mishandling and speeds up the onboarding process, making the process more efficient and secure. I also recommend implementing a centralized system like a CRM or volunteer management software where nonprofits can effortlessly track volunteer and employee details, availability, skills, and contributions. This kind of system offers a bird's eye view of your workforce, enabling better management and deployment of human resources according to your organization's needs. Again, making this process more efficient and secure. Tip number 2 is to enable remote access and collaboration. Look, in today's digital age, providing secure remote access to organizational systems and documents is crucial. It accommodates volunteers and employees working remotely or from different locations, fostering a flexible and inclusive work environment. Cloud-based collaboration tools facilitate teamwork and communication among distributed teams, breaking down geographical barriers and enhancing productivity. This flexibility is especially beneficial for nonprofits, often operating on tight budgets and relying heavily on volunteer support. Tip number 3 is to have your IT setups done prior to the new volunteer or employee starting. Ensuring that IT setups are completed before a new volunteer or employee starts is crucial for a smooth and efficient onboarding experience. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and allows new people on your team to hit the ground running, immediately contributing to your mission. It signifies a well-organized and professional environment, boosting team morale and reinforcing the value of each team member's time and contributions. Tip number 4 is to ensure data security and privacy compliance. Educate your nonprofit staff on best practices for data security and privacy to safeguard sensitive information about donors, clients, and beneficiaries. If you hear nothing else I say, educating your staff on data security and privacy best practices is non-negotiable. In an era where data breaches are increasingly common, safeguarding sensitive information about donors, clients, and beneficiaries must be a top priority. When you implement robust security measures that comply with legal obligations, you'll ensure trust and confidence among your donors and stakeholders. I'm James Sanford, the founder of Teamspring, and I empower not-for-profits to leverage the power of technology to streamline the onboarding of your staff and volunteers, enabling you to work more efficiently in implementing your mission statement. If you're interested in discovering how we can streamline your operations, click the link below to request a call with our team. Let's work together to turn technology into an asset for your organization, because your nonprofit deserves the best tools to carry out its mission.